With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, in this question we are given with 4 different options and we have to find which option is false. So we are given with 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 different options given to us, and let's just start with the very first option given to us, that is negative 20 minus negative 5 equals to negative 15. We have to simplify the left hand side. First of all, make like this. If we simplify the left hand side, negative 20, and this is negative 20 minus negative 5. When we subtract two negative integers, we basically have to do like this: a minus negative b. These two negative signs, when a negative sign is outside the bracket, it just changes the sign of the internal and it gets changed into a normal sign. So a minus minus b, a minus negative b can be written as a plus b. So hence this thing we can write as negative 20 plus 5. And if we can simplify this thing, one number is negative, the other number is positive. When one number is positive and second negative, we have to subtract, but and the sign would be number with larger face value, number with larger face value. Over here 20 and 5, 20 has larger face value but it has a negative sign. That means our final answer will be negative. And 20 minus 5, 20 minus 5 would be 15. So negative 15. That means our first option is true and it can't be our answer for this question. Now look at the option number 2, the option number B. It says the absolute function of negative 18 is greater than absolute function of negative 13. Whenever we have absolute functions and any number is written over there, so we get only the positive value of that function and that number. If it is written negative number inside it, still we get positive value. And hence if we simplify the absolute function, the modulus of negative 18 would be positive 18 greater than, and the absolute value of negative 13 would be 13. It gives only positive value. So hence and this thing is saying 18 is greater than 13. So that means it is also true, and we'll write absolute function will give only positive value. So if we write negative a, so it will give a value, still we get a value, and the a value we get also a. This is the property of the absolute value. If we write 5, we get answer as 5 only, and negative 5 if we write, we get only 5 still. So that means option number 2 is also true, and hence it can't be our answer. It is also true. Now let's just look at the option number 3. It says 23 plus negative 31 gives us 8. So we'll write over here 23 plus negative 31 gives us 8. While simplifying this thing, if we are adding two integers and one is positive, one is negative, we basically have to subtract these two. Adding one positive and one negative integer results in subtraction and sign will be of larger face value. Sign will always be of the larger face value in any case. So we have 23 minus 31. So 31 has a larger face value. So final answer will be negative, and we have to simplify 23 and 31. We have to subtract. So we carry forward and we get 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. So we get negative 8 as the answer. But the question says it is positive 8 and we are getting as negative 8. That means this statement, third statement, is false. That is what we have to calculate. This is false and this would be our answer. But still we have to check the option number 4 that says greatest negative integer is negative 1. First of all, we need to understand what are integers. Integers are whole numbers with positive sign or negative sign, and even 0 is included in it. Okay, so if we draw a number line, if 0 is over here, so on the right hand side we have 1, 2, 3. These are positive integers, and negative integer, they start from negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and they carry on. So we can clearly see negative 1 is the negative number which is on the extreme right hand side. All other negative numbers are on the left hand side. So negative 1 is the greatest negative integer, and even the fourth statement is true. So our final answer would be option number 3.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.